We have created the dashboard, but our stakeholders want more. They have a real-time business needs such as sending alerts, automatic data refresh, setting security levels for data. You will also understand how a data analyst scopes the requirement for future builds from this session.
Okay, so now we got the dashboard. Have any questions?
Yes.
Have anything to check?
I have one. Can I get any notification over my email ID? Like just like it triggers. Let's say if the attendance is less than 80% or 75%, because actually I'm very busy on weekdays, right? I don't have time to see dashboard each and every time. So
Okay, understand.
it would be easier for me to understand the percentage.
Yeah, see, totally understand. What you can do is like the next step is like we will publish this dashboard to the cloud. Okay, so once we publish the dashboard, you get an option there to create this is in the Power BI lingo, this is called a report. So once you publish this report online, you can create certain dashboard from the visuals. So you can create a visual. This visual you can add to a pin to a dashboard, and from there you can create an alert. So if the presence percentage is less than 70, send an email to Pinali, to your email address and to a couple of other people. So that email will say, hey, the presence percentage is less than 70. Here are the list of people who are present today, and all the it will send the Excel sheet along with you. This particular table along with that. So we can do that. It's possible.
That's great.
That's really interesting because even I would like to get that kind of notification.
Yes.
And for the viewers, we have covered publishing reports to Power BI, setting up notification, all of this in our paid course on codebasics.io. The course name is Get Job Ready Power BI Data Analytics. So in that course, we have covered all of these advanced concepts. The link of the course you'll find in the video description below. So check it out or just simply visit codebasics.io. All right. Now moving on to our actual discussion. So I know I'm kind of I'm playing two different roles, double the instructor for Codebasics channel and Atlic's founder and manager. So one question I have is right now we uploaded one fixed file, okay, but file will keep on uploading. So I don't think it's going to be very cumbersome for Atlic HR person to give you this file every day. Can we have some kind of automatic setup? Maybe we put file somewhere on cloud and just
definitely that is definitely the point. So either Power BI offers integration to many things. So what I did is right now is just to import the Excel book directly, just to show how it is done. But ideally, it can be put in a SharePoint folder, a common drive. And I think if this is a Google Sheet, there is also an option to directly connect to a Google Sheet. I think, yes, you can also connect to a Google Sheet directly. So if the Google Sheet is updated, this will get updated. There are a lot of ways to do that. And normally what I would prefer is to put it in a SharePoint folder and it is connected to the SharePoint and the data gets updated every 1 hour or every half an hour or something like that. We can set up things like that. And no one needs to, update the Excel sheet or, do something. So once you create this and it's completely automated, that's the solution.
All right. Next question I have. This is pretty useful, by the way. So yeah, using SharePoint is a good idea. Next question I have is, I want to make this dashboard available to people in my organization. Obviously, manager level people will have access of full dashboard, but employees, so that they can see the trend, etc., they need to have access of only the charts, because I don't want employees to look, check the presence percentage and all of that for other employees. It's not very healthy work environment.
Yes.
So can we have that visual level privileging?
Yes, there is an option in Power BI. that's called row level security and even object level security. There is an option there in Power BI. We can do that. There is a better option in terms of, because if you create this dashboard and if people are saying blank space here, it doesn't look correct. It looks patchy.
Right.
So what I would recommend is like publish this dashboard for the management level people and give access to them. So once you publish this dashboard on the cloud, this creates a data set underneath. So this dashboard or report sits on a data set. So we can use the same data set on the cloud to create another dashboard with just the trend, not the underlying data. So that I think is a better idea. So there will be two different reports, but both will be using the same data source, same data set. Everything is same. It's not like there are two separate entities. They are the same entity, but two different interfaces.
Got it. So like you have presence view right now, right? So you can create presence view for all, and all we have to do is just copy paste visuals. So it is as good as that.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right. I have one more question. I got pretty excited, by the way, after looking at this dashboard. So the next question I have is, I'm looking at that chart and most of the people, they prefer working from home on Friday. So Pinali, maybe in the future, like when we go in this hybrid work model, we can have Friday as like work from home for all, right? And if people are working from home on that day, then if you have some scheduled maintenance, some electricity work, or, some infrastructure repair, we can schedule that kind of work on Friday. Usually we do Saturday, Sunday also, but then, that can be good utilization of resources. Other thing we can do is, if you decide to go in hybrid work from home model where people are working only 3 days, they're working from home on 2 days, maybe we can ask people to take turns, so that, let's say the capacity of our office, let's say, is 80 people and we have 100 employees. Maybe we can ask them to take turn on a day, so that we don't have to rent space for 20 additional people. We can have people take turn and create a system where people come on alternate days and we can save on the rental cost.
Yes.
All right. Great. Those are the only points I had. Thanks, Amanan, for helping us build this live. And we are going to provide a link of this dashboard, the data, everything in the video description below. So folks, go check it out. If you have any question, post in a comment box below.
Perfect. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amanand.
So how do you feel? If you are HR manager yourself, you probably found this useful because this was from your domain. But even if you are not from HR, you still found a project that you can use to learn data analytics. And this is something you can put on your resume as well. Now, I have a good news to share. Just like Pinali, you can also come on this show and we will help you build live data analytics dashboard. You can be from any domain. You can be chartered accountant, you can be a salesperson, a warehouse manager, any domain. Wherever there is data analytics. So all you have to do is check video description below. There is an email ID. Send us an email and mention your use case. What kind of data set you have, what kind of business problem you're facing, what is your domain, and we will invite you on this channel. So that way you will learn data analytics live with us, and also you will get an opportunity to present yourself on this YouTube platform. I hope you found this series useful, and I will see you in the next data analytics series.